Welcome back everyone. Today we're comparing two prominent crypto trading bots, NovaBot and BullX Bot. So NovaBot is a professional grade open source trading bot specifically designed for the Solana blockchain. It's built for MEV hunters, arbitrage traders, and DeFi enthusiasts. I hope I'm saying that right, offering lightning fast execution and multi-dex support. BullX Bot is an advanced trading platform operating across multiple blockchain ecosystems, including Solana, Ethereum, Tron, and Blast. It seamlessly integrates with Telegram, allowing users to manage trades and build automated strategies conveniently. Key features for NovaBot would be MEV protection, as NovaBot incorporates built-in miner extractable value, aka MEV. This is protection to safeguard traders from front-running and other exploitative practices. NovaBot also offers features like instant buys, limit orders, copy trading, and multi-wallet support, all designed to enhance trading experience on Solana. BullX Bot supports trading across various blockchain networks, providing flexibility for traders with diverse portfolios. BullX Bot features a Telegram bot that enables users to execute trades, set up automated strategies, and receive real-time market updates directly within the app. In terms of meme coin trading, BullX Bot specializes in meme coin trading, offering tools and insights tailored for navigating the volatile meme coin market. In summary, NovaBot offers a specialized solution for traders focused on the Solana blockchain, emphasizing speed and advanced trading features. BullX Bot, on the other hand, provides a versatile multi-chain trading experience with unique tools for meme coin enthusiasts and a seamless Telegram integration. Your choice, as always, depends on your specific trading preferences and the ecosystem you engage with. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, hit like, hit subscribe. Catch me in the next video.